era of big data. Hello? Is this Gordon's Pizza? No sir, it's Google's Pizza. Did I dial the wrong number? No sir, Google bought the pizza store. Oh, alright, then I'd like to place an order, please. Okay sir, do you want the usual? The usual? You know what my usual is? According to the caller ID, the last 15 times you've ordered a 12 slice with double cheese, sausage, and thick crust. Okay, that's what I want this time too. May I suggest that this time you order an 8 slice with ricotta, arugula, and tomato instead? No, I hate vegetables. But your cholesterol is not good. How do you know? Through the subscriber's guide. We have the results of your blood tests for the last 7 years. Maybe so, but I don't want the pizza you suggest. I already take medicine for high cholesterol. But you haven't taken the medicine regularly. 4 months ago you purchased from Drug Network a box of only 30 tablets. I bought more from another drugstore. It's not showing on your credit card, sir. I paid in cash. But according to your bank statement, you did not withdraw that much cash. I have another source of cash. This is not showing on your last tax form unless you got it from an undeclared income source. To hell with a pizza. Enough. I'm sick of Google, Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp. I'm going to an island without internet, where there's no cell phone line, and no one to spy on me. I understand sir, but you'll need to renew your passport, it expired 5 weeks ago.